Hey everybody, this is Randy Bryson with Tensors. Gonna do a quick overview of FundMax Lite in 5 or less. Now first of all, you've been on the email list. You've gotten a link to our shared folder, public share, or at least you've gotten a link to FundMax Lite public. You will want to, you can do a couple of things. You can view it by double click on it and open it. Of course, yours is going to look different from mine. You will not have some of these buttons, but the thing that you want to do is go to File and make a copy. And then you will want to make that copy and personalize it. Now I'm just going to leave mine in the same folder. You'll want to move it to my drive, which is probably the option you'll have. Once I've done that, then I can start working through the process. Now I plan to put this link into the comments below this video, but that is where you can go to find out how to do the first 2 steps to prepare for your FundMax Lite. Now, basically what you're doing is downloading the student membership list from data queries in EIS, downloading it as a CSV, and then doing the same thing for the director's monthly membership and attendance report and converting it to a CSV. Explanation is right here. You might want to pause this video until you've gotten that part done. Once you've finished the download process, and what you're going to do is, one way or the other, open the files, and you're going to do some copying and pasting. Alright, for example, here is my Skyward sample file. I double click on it, and my machine, it is linked to Excel. I'm going to select all cells. I can do that a couple of ways. I'm just going to hit Control A. I'm going to hit copy. I'm going to go back to FundMax Lite. I'm going to find the sheet that has Paste Sys membership, monthly membership report, and I'm going to paste. It takes a little while to get to the right place, but it will. Next, I've got to go to the Paste Student Membership file, which means I'm going to go back to my download folder. I'm going to open the Student Membership CSV. When it opens, I will do the same thing. I'll highlight all cells. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to the Google Sheet, and I'm going to paste. Now I've got the special ed column blacked out. You can see yours, of course, and I don't have any information there. That's a big problem. I'm pasting that information into the student membership sheet. Once I've done that, then I'm ready to go look at the results, and right away I can see where I have problems and where I don't. Now you can make the view a little smaller if you want, so that you can see more columns at a time. You can adjust this thing once you've gotten it done. Remember that each line is going to have, each student is going to have at least 2 lines. You've got 4 columns. We've got expected local fund and local comparison. I can let y'all look at that. And it's designed so that if there's a problem, that problem is highlighted in pink. And that's a quick overview of FundMax Lite. I pray it works well for you. Don't hesitate to contact me by email, rkbryson@tensors.com, or feel free to call me, 615-887-3818. Hey, have a great day. As I said, this is Randy Bryson with Tensors. Be blessed.